Okay, in this video we're going to look at two things. We're going to look at vertical asymptotes and holes. A hole is a break in the graph, okay? So vertical asymptotes. Vertical asymptotes work in the fact that in math you can never have a problem like 7 divided by 0. It's a point where there's no solution. This is not possible to do. You can't divide by 0. You can divide 0 by a number, but you can't divide by 0. That being said, that means the denominator cannot equal 0, and that gives me my vertical asymptote. So all I'm going to do is take my denominator, x plus 2, I'm going to set it equal to 0, and I'm going to solve for x. Subtract 2 from both sides. X equals -2 is my vertical asymptote. Okay? Now, this particular graph does not have any holes, and I'll explain what a hole is later when we get to an example that does. Also, something I should have pointed out that I didn't do here is you always want to simplify, and in this case, there's nothing to simplify. I can't cancel anything out. You might want to say, oh, but they both have x, but you have to remember this x plus 2 is a package deal. All right, so I said we would talk about holes, so here we go. All right, in this case, I need to factor first, okay? So the bottom, I need to simplify it. It's going to be x minus 3 times x minus 1. And at the numerator, I have x minus 1. So in this case, after I factored it, to simplify, something cancels out. What cancels out? The x minus 1. Whatever cancels out, x minus 1, that is going to be your hole. So my hole is going to be x minus 1 equals 0. Add 1 to both sides. X equals 1. So I have a hole in my graph when x equals 1. Okay? Now, when these cancel, all that I'm left with in the denominator is x minus 3, and I'm going to use that to find my vertical asymptote. My vertical asymptote. Okay, I'm just going to abbreviate it there. So x minus 3 equals 0. I add 3 to both sides. X equals 3 is my vertical asymptote. Okay, let's look at another one. I'd like you to go ahead and start this one. Remember, if you can factor and simplify, do that. If something cancels, the item that cancels, set equal to 0 to find your hole. I will tell you that this one has both a hole and a vertical asymptote. Okay, when I factor the top, it's x plus 2 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. Oh, and I believe I told a lie. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, so this cancels right here. So I'm left with x plus 2, okay? X minus 2 equals 0 is my hole. So x equals 2 is my hole. And if you notice, because it cancels out, I don't have a denominator. So I didn't have a vertical asymptote in this one. Sorry about that. Okay, go ahead and try this one. Okay, you should have x plus 4 times x minus 3 over x minus 3. The x minus 3 is canceled. That gives me my hole. So x equals 3. Again, I'm not left with anything in the denominator, so I don't have a vertical asymptote. Okay, that is it for vertical asymptotes and holes. I hope this made sense and helps you.